In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to run Report for Accounts Payable Aging Summary in QuickBooks Online. This report is a quick, reliable way to see what you owe your vendors and how long those bills have been outstanding. It groups your payables into time buckets, like current, 1 to 30 days past due, and beyond, so you can prioritize payments and keep your cash flow on track. Start by signing in to your QuickBooks Online company and looking at the left navigation panel. Find the option labeled Reports and click it. This takes you to the Reports area where everything is organized into helpful categories. At the top, you'll notice tabs that separate different types of reports. Make sure you're on the Standard Reports tab so you're viewing the built-in, ready-to-use library. From there, scroll down the page until you reach the section called What You Owe. This section contains reports focused on bills and vendor balances. In that list, look for Accounts Payable Aging Summary. It may also be labeled as APP Aging Summary in some versions, but it will be under the same What You Owe category. When you see it, click the report name to open it. After a brief moment of loading, QuickBooks will display the detailed report. What you'll see is a summary of your unpaid vendor balances, grouped by how long they've been outstanding. Vendors appear in rows, and the columns show aging buckets such as current, 130, 3160, 61, chapter 90, and over 90 days. The totals at the end help you gauge the overall amount due and where most of your obligations are concentrated. This layout makes it easy to spot overdue bills, plan payments, and have informed conversations with your vendors. If your list of vendors is long, take a moment to scan the far right totals to identify high-impact balances quickly. If you don't see the report right away, double-check that you're on the Standard tab and that you're scrolling within the What You Owe section. Keep in mind that QuickBooks occasionally updates the interface, so labels and placement might look slightly different, but the report name and category remain the same. Also, if you still can't access the report, it may be due to user permissions or your subscription level. Your QuickBooks administrator can help with that. That's all there is to it. By going to Reports, opening the Standard tab, scrolling to What You Owe, and selecting Accounts Payable Aging Summary, you'll get an instant snapshot of what's due and when. Use it regularly to stay ahead of deadlines and keep your payables organized. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.